Have you ever gone to replace a starting motor and found that the replacement starter has a different pinion than the original unit? Let's review what you can do and explain why it may be okay for replacement. Starting motor pinions and drive assemblies are specifically designed to match the engine ring gear for proper mesh and performance. If you're dealing with an older application, conduct a quick check of the engine type to make sure it has not been replaced. Next, confirm that your recommended replacement model is appropriate for the engine being serviced. As always, check the removed starter pinion and ring gear for any damage. Putting a good starter on a damaged ring gear will most likely damage the starter pinion. Also verify the ring gear tooth count for the engine being serviced. After verifying the engine, ring gear, and starter, you may still have a different pinion. Let's discuss why this is acceptable. First of all, most starting motors have a pinion centered in the drive end mounting. Starting motors can be optimized with a pinion change to match the engine characteristics. Because the engine ring gear is fixed, any change of the pinion would require an offset to the shaft position in order to properly mesh with the ring gear. The performance between the two starting motors should be compatible and suitable for replacement. The pinion differences exist to better match the motor performance with the engine needs for any given motor manufacturer or family. If you have any questions, visit us at delcoremy.com or contact us at the number listed on the screen.